Fear nudges me, says go deeper, it's okay, don't fight. Some things like sparkling stars you can only see at night. Only see at night. Only see at night. Fear nudges me, says go deeper, it's okay, don't fight. Some things like sparkling stars you can only see at night. Only see at night. Only see at night. Fear nudges me, says go deeper, it's okay, don't fight. Some things like sparkling stars you can only see at night. Only see at night. Only see at night.
You know what your wildest dreams are? Your wildest dreams is your future waiting on you. The things you thought you could never ever, would never ever, how could you? The places that you don't know that you can go, they're waiting on you. The things that you didn't think you can do, oh, you're about to master them. The people that are waiting to love you, hold you, honor you, and celebrate you, oh, if you only knew what was waiting on you, it would blow your mind. Go get your blessing.
Just want to remind everybody that fundamentally there's grace in all our lives. Our biggest challenges almost always develop our best skills, our best abilities, but it requires one skill. There's one skill above all else that determines whether you live the life of your dreams or whether you settle for something far less than you desire and deserve. I've been teaching for 40 years, but now neuroscience even proves it, and that is that one skill is your ability to do the uncomfortable things consistently. I'm sorry to be so boring, but that's it. If you think about anything you really want in your life, the only thing blocking you is the emotion you don't want to go through to get to it, the feelings you don't want to feel, the discomfort, whatever it is you want. That reward is on the other side of the rejection you fear, or the failure, or the loneliness, or the pain of what you think the hard work may be, or the disappointment you're afraid you might have to face. And you will at times. You'll go through all those things. But if you can push through discomfort, you develop something most people never have in their life, and that is the life you really want. Neuroscience now proves this. You know, every single time you push yourself to do something that's incredibly uncomfortable, there's a part of your brain, the amygdala, which sets off this firing sequence. It's called threat. You know, the Steph Currys, you know, the Michael Jordans, the Tom Bradys. These are all people that they practice so intensely. They push themselves so hard in practice that they're now rewarded in public. You know, they've done the uncomfortable over and over again, so it's not uncomfortable after a while. It starts to become pleasurable. The people you admire, they're not stronger, they're not smarter, they're not more willful. They just push themselves through this threat habituation. They went through the discomfort enough times, they got less and less and less until now it's not a threat to them. They're just better trained. And you can train your body to do anything, your mind to do anything, your emotion to do anything. So I want to invite you to think about what does you really want out of your life, and what's been stopping you? What fear, which it just comes down to a feeling in the end, what are you afraid to feel? And are you just willing today to move forward? Because if you will consistently move forward and do what is uncomfortable, you'll get good at anything you commit to. So I invite you to remember the class is in session right now. It's called Your Life. Don't waste a minute. That's my little message today. I don't give many of these very often. Just wanted to say love and respect to all of you. And I hope you'll give yourself what you deserve, and know that it's not luck on other people's. You can make your luck to a certain amount. Don't get me wrong. There are challenges we all face, but how we deal with them, the decisions we make and the actions we take, that's what shapes it all.
So let your breath drop, lower than usual. There's no rush here, nowhere to be, nothing to fix. I invite you to clear your inner space inside your head. And enter into your inner safe space in your heart. In that space, I invite you to set before you a table. This table belongs to you. And to this table, you may invite anyone, living or gone, who has truly only ever wanted what is best for you. Anyone who you feel has truly held your best interest at heart. Let them arrive, however they come. And when they are all seated there with you, ask them quietly about their love for you. Now, invite your higher self to the table, the deepest you, the one underneath all of it, the part of you that's so much more than anything you've done or haven't done, more than anything you have or don't. Your truest, higher, eternal self, the you that was here before the noise. Trust it to come forward easily without you needing to do anything, and ask you about your love for you. And finally, invite the higher power you hold as greater than yourself, whatever your word for it, however you know it. Let it pull up a chair and ask about their love for you. Now look around your table. Everyone here wants only what is best for you, so ask them. What do they want you to see? What do they want you to know? Take the one thing, the single knowing that matters most right now, and let it settle into you like it has always been yours, because it has. The table doesn't disappear when you open your eyes. It's yours. It's always been inside you, and you can return to your table anytime you choose. So before you rise, take a moment to thank them. Every presence at your table, your people, your truest self, the power of life that holds your spark of wisdom. Thank them for being here, for wanting only your good, and let yourself feel it, that you are held, that you have always been held. So when you're ready, let your breath rise, let your eyes open, slowly, in your own time.